Hi Guts and Glory Wellness Expo virtual fans. I'm Mary Hahn at Penn State Health St. Joseph. We are extremely proud to sponsor this event since it began 7 years ago. Partnering with My Gut Instinct allows us to continue to improve the health and wellness of our community. And if you're not feeling your best, St. Joseph provides safe care, whether you need us soon through primary care practices, quickly through our urgent cares, or now through our emergency department and virtual care. We're sorry we can't be with you today, but check out all the cool stuff we're doing in the community. Enjoy the expo.
Reading is an incredibly diverse and vibrant city, has a lot of energy and a lot of creativity, and that also lends itself to the work that we're doing in the community. REACH is a CDC project, and REACH stands for Racial and Ethnic Approaches to Community Health. We've always worked on healthy community initiatives here in downtown Reading at our downtown campus, but by being able to work with our colleagues at Hershey and all around the region, we've been able to expand our projects and partnerships for the benefit of our Latino population in particular.
The VegRx program is a program for diabetic patients. Our patients are referred by their PCP. We have a nutritionist that meets with the patients as a group. We do a weight check, blood test. The nutritionist speaks to the patients about proper nutrition.
Having our own farm stand right here in downtown Reading allows folks to shop for fresh produce in an area where they might not be able to get that produce normally.
Wow, I've been coming here for years. Today I got green pepper, banana, or cilantro. I love cilantro.
Why we do what we do is really related to the fact that food access and food insecurity is a big concern here for many Reading residents. And we're, as a health system, doing our part to collaborate with other community organizations to increase affordable and fresh and healthy food access. And we are partnering here with Blue Mountain Academy, which is in Hamburg, and they have their own student-run farm. And so this is a larger part of our healthy food initiatives here at the downtown campus.
I enjoy the fruits, the vegetables, and it's closer to where I live, so it's a good thing because I could walk it. I don't have to depend on transportation.
We get a lot of people thanking us for being able to provide affordable and healthy food, and so there's a lot of families that come and say they look forward to this every week. And just knowing that we're making a long-term impact on people's health, essentially expanding their purchasing power to be able to afford healthy and fresh produce. We're hoping that it in turn kind of creates a lifestyle change for them and their families.
About a year ago, our team at Berks Nature started talking to local doctors on developing the program called Berks Nature RX to encourage people to spend more time outside. We quickly learned that Penn State Health's REACH program had the same goals, so we are partnering to bring that to the community.
So once a month, you can come join us with a doctor, and we just go on a little walk or hike, depending on what the group wants to do. Ask them questions, get information, just really figure out the benefits of spending time outdoors.
We all know that it's good to spend time outside, but with our busy lives, we lose that along the way. So we hope that Berks Nature RX is a great tool to help remind people how important it is to connect with nature and spend time outside.
The recommended time to spend outdoors is at least 120 minutes a week. The benefits are so real. The peacefulness that it provides you mentally and physically, the sounds that you get to listen to and really just escape and slow down your mind.
I'm really proud that here at St. Joe's, we have our finger on the pulse of the needs of the community, and we've been able to leverage that to seek to make a difference in the lives of everyday people in downtown Reading.